Jambo, I'm Mwalimu Ken Odhiambo, and today I attended the Kenya Defence Forces Museum Air Show here at Uhuru Gardens.
Wow, wow, wow.
The event, which attracted thousands of Kenyans, was a display of both military and civilian aerobatic capabilities. Yes, it was time to unite and show love and not might, as displayed by this team from South Africa, headed by Martin Hensman. And the event left everyone with a memorable moment.
I really liked the launching of the Uhuru Gardens and the air show. It was really good. Everything went on perfect, and I'm so proud of my country because everything was so good, fantastic, and we all enjoyed it. The security was tight. The most memorable moment was when they were saving a KDF guy, because that shows even though they are protecting themselves, they are still mindful of others.
Tumeona vitu mingi zenye hatujaiona. Yenyewe it was fantastic, mwenye amekosa hadi anafaa kujilaumu. The most memorable part ni hizi mandege za aerobats zenye zilikuwa zinapaa, zinashuka, zinajipinda.
I'm really inspired by the way they were flipping. It was really nice. It was such an experience. And actually, even the way they showed us their moves in the helicopter was really fantastic. Yeah, and I really loved it.
Maridadi kabisa, ustadi.
The scintillating aerobatic show by the pilots was a breathtaking experience, and everybody yearned for more. Thank you for watching, and keep it Chams Media.